Hello everybody, how's it going? It is Monday, August 26th, and I looked it up beforehand so I would know. How's it going? Hope everybody's all last week and this recent weekend was good. Mine was pretty, well, I guess I should start off by saying, obviously I didn't post any videos last week, and I probably should have posted something letting you guys know that that was going to happen. So I apologize for that. But last week was a bit difficult for me. Just life happened, and tons of stuff going on. Things that I really needed to focus and spend all my energy and time on. I picked up quite a few hours at work last week, and we were doing some, not technically remodeling on the house, but we did a lot of work on the inside. A couple of rooms got switched around, and their purpose is now different from what it was, and so everything had to go out, and new things had to come in, and the house was a wreck for a couple of days, and it was a pretty big ordeal. So that happened, as well as some other personal stuff that was going on. And if I'm going to post videos, I want them to have a certain feel and certain atmosphere, I guess. And just with what was going on last week and the mood that I was in throughout the week and everything that was going on, I wouldn't have been able to do that. Scary screen door. The wind just threw it against the rail. So yeah, if I would have posted videos last week, they wouldn't have turned out very good, and I would much rather have less videos on here and have them live up to a certain standard than to just post really cruddy videos just for the sake of sticking to a schedule. Although, like I said before, I will admit that I probably should have posted some sort of video letting you guys know. And if this situation ever comes up again, I will do that, just so you guys know. So, anyway, there's probably 1,000 things I could talk about from this last week, but I'm still working on saving up for a bike. Still doing that. And in the midst of all the craziness happening last week, I was actually able to get motivated enough to start eating healthy. So I ate healthy all last week and tried out a few recipes for healthy food, and they turned out terrible. They were disgusting, and actually didn't even eat it, just threw the stuff out because it was gross. And so ate healthy, exercised, bought some new running shoes that were pretty expensive. First quality specific running shoes that I've ever bought, and I had a change jar that I've been saving up money for about 6 months and I cashed that in. Got some of those. Pretty cool looking. And hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It sounded like there was some shenanigans going on over near my car, and I wanted to make sure no hooligans were making my Franken car look even worse by messing with it. So, but they weren't. Nobody was messing with my car. Anyway, where was I? New running shoes, right? So I got those, and new running shoes make a world of difference when you're running, and I kind of was hesitant about buying them because I was like, well, is it really going to make that much of a difference, because they're pretty expensive, but they really do. So there's that, and I went running 2 or 3 times last week and posted the details of how far I went and what average speed was I was going and that kind of stuff on Facebook. So it's cool. I have a really cool app named Runtastic, and it tracks your GPS location, so it actually shows you on a map what route you were running and how fast you were running at certain speeds. And it's all very interesting to look at afterwards. And so I really like that app. And I'll continue posting the information for the runs that I do on there. So I'm going to go tonight again, and hopefully I'll get out of work right on time, because I'm going to be there till at least 11, and I don't, starting a run right at midnight, it's kind of hard to do that. So hopefully I'll get home shortly after I get off work to go do that. So that's what I've been up to. Anyway, like I said, I hope all of last week was good for you guys, and the weekend, I hope you guys had fun. And I'm not going to post a tongue twister this Tuesday, just because it's a lot of work, and I don't have the time to do it today. But I will be posting vlogs on Wednesday and Friday, and I'll be doing the Theatrical Thursday on Thursday. So, there's that. So, yeah, there's definitely people messing around out there. Anyway, I'll let you guys go. I'll see you guys on Wednesday, and until then, I hope your day goes well. Talk to you later.